Good morning, students. Today's topic is representation of rational number on number line. Suppose you know what is number line. This point is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, and on the left side negative numbers are there, -1, -2, and -3. You have to put arrows. Now suppose we have to represent 1 by 3 and -1/3 on number line. So what we have to do, we have to draw a line with a scale. With a scale you have to draw a line and mark this point 0 and divide it into three parts, equal three parts, 1, 2 and 3, and write it as 3/3 or -1, and write 1, 2 and 3, 3/3, that is 1. So now we have to represent 1/3, that is, this is 1, so this point is -1/3, and this is 1/3 only. This point is 2/3, this point is 3/3. Suppose we have to represent 5/3, then you have to again divide it. This is 1, 1, 2, 3, that is 6/3, that is 2. Now this is 3/3, this is 4/3, this is 5/3, so this is 5/3. Now come to example number 1, that is, draw a number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. First part is 3/4, second part is -5/8, and third part is -7/4. If we have to represent all the three numbers on a same number line, then what do you have to do? First of all, the denominator is 8 here. Make this denominator 8 by multiplying with 2. 3 into 2, 4 into 2, that is 6/8. Now the number is 6/8, and here -7/4 into 2 into 2, it becomes -14/4. 4 2s are 8/8, -14/8. Now denominator 8 is 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8/8, that is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is 16/8, that is 2. Now 1, 2, the gap between these are same, means this distance is equal to this distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With -8/8 is -1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that is -16/8, means -2. Now first number is 6/8. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 6, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8. So this point is 6/8. Now next is -5/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This point is -5/8. Now next is -14/8, means 8/8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is -14/8, or we can write it as -7/4, this number, and this number is this is okay. Now next is example number 2. Which of the two rational numbers is greater in each of the following pairs? First is minus 3 by 5 and 0. We know negative number is always smaller than 0, so minus 3 by 5 is less than 0. Second part is minus 7 by 4, make it positive integer by multiplying with minus 1, that is 7 by 4. And second number is 0, that number is minus 7 by 4 and 0. So positive number is always greater than 0, so 7 by 4 is greater than 0. Third part is 7 by minus 11 and 1 by 3. 7 by minus 11 into minus 1 into minus 1, make the denominator positive. Now minus 7 by 11 and 1 by 3. We know negative number is smaller than, so 1 by 3 is greater than minus 7. In fourth part, number is 9 by minus 8 and minus 13 by minus 21. 9 into minus 1 by minus 8 into minus 1. So it becomes 9 with minus sign, minus 9 by 8, and minus 13 into minus 1, minus 21 into minus 1, that becomes 13 by 21. So this is a positive number. Negative number is always less than positive number, so 13 by 20. Next is example number 3. This is example number 2. Now example 3 is first part. Which of the two rational numbers is greater in each of the following pairs? Minus 7 by 3, minus 7 by 5 and minus 5 by 3. Now both are negative numbers. One method is cross multiplication, minus 7 into minus 7 into 3 and minus 5 into 5, minus 21 minus 25. So minus 21 is greater than minus 25, so minus 7 by 5 is greater than minus 5 by 3. Or second method is by taking LCM of 7 and 3 and 5, we make the denominator same. The LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So 5 3s are 15, 7 3s are 21, and 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Now it becomes 21 by 15 and minus 25 by 15. So 21 by 15 is greater than this. So minus 7 by 5 is greater than minus 5 by 3. Now next is second part. In second part, minus 4 by 9 and 5 by minus 12. Now minus 4 by 9 and minus 5 by 12, we make the denominator positive. Minus 4 by 9 and this minus 5 by 12. Now cross multiply 12 into 4 into minus 4 into 12, then minus 5 into 9, minus 48 minus 45. So minus 45 is greater than minus, so minus 4 by 9 is less than 5 by 12 minus. Now next third part is minus 9 by minus 25 and 11 by 35. First change this, we have to make denominator positive, so it becomes 9 by 25. Next is 11 by 35. Now You can cross multiply also. 9 into 35 and 11 into 25. 315 572. Yes, if you want to multiply with any digit with 11 into suppose 25, put 0 in the front and add first digit same, only multiplication with 11 with any number. 5 plus 2 7 and 2 plus 0 is 2, so 275. So 275 is less than this, so 9 by 25 is greater than 11 by 30. Now example number 4. Example 4 is arrange the rational number -7 by 10, 5 by 3 by -5 and -5 by 6 in ascending order. In ascending order, we have to write smallest number, then greater than. Now -7 by 10, make it with -1 and -1, make the denominator positive. -3 by 5 and 5 by 6. Now we have to take LCM of 5, 10 and 6. 5, 10 and 6. LCM of 5, 10, 6 is 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and 6. 60. So LCM is 60. So make the denominator 60. 10 6 are 7 6 are 42. Then 12 5s are 60. 12 3s are -36. Then 6 tens are -50. Now we know -50 is smaller than -42 and -42 is smaller than -36. So -50 means -5 by 6 is less than -7 by 10 and less than -3 by 5. So this is the ascending order. Means first we have to write 5 by 6, then -7 by 10, then -3 by 5. Example number 5. Example number 5 is arrange the following rational numbers, that is example 5, that is -4 by 9, 7 by -18, 2 by -3 and -5 by 12. Now -4 by 9, make it positive denominator, that is -7 by 18, then -2 by 3 and -5 by 12. Now take the LCM of 18, 3 and 12 and 9. 9, 18, 3, 12. 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 and 4. LCM is 36. So this is 36. 2 1s are 2, 1, 2 and 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 9s are 36. Okay, LCM is 36. Now 9, 4 4s are 16. 18 2s are 36, 7 2s are 14. Now 12 3s are 36, 24 -50. Now we have to arrange it in the descending order. Now the greater number is -14, that is -14 is greater than -15, which is greater than -16, which is greater than -24. So -14 means -17 by 7 by 18, then -5 by 12, then minus 4 by 9, then minus 2 by 3. So this is in descending. Now next topic is rational numbers between two rational numbers. Two rational numbers. But if there are infinite number of rational numbers between two rational numbers. So there are infinite number of rational numbers between two rational numbers. Now method for this, for example 6, insert 5 rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. Sorry, 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Here the denominator are same. So 5 rational number, you can multiply numerator and denominator by 6. 1 by 3 into 6 by 6. 5 rational number, you have to multiply. You can multiply with 10 also. 2 by 3 into 6 by 6. Now 6 by 18 and 12 by 18. Now between 6 and 12, 7 by 18 is their first rational number, 8 by 18, 9 by 18, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10 by 18 and 11 by 18. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Now example number 7. Insert 5 rational number between minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 upon 1 and minus 1 upon 1. Now we have to insert 5 rational number. So multiply numerator and denominator by 6. So minus 12 by 6 and minus 6 by 6. So between minus 12 and minus 6, minus 11 by 6, minus 10 by 6, minus 9 by 6, minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6. Exactly 5 rational number between minus 2 and minus 1. Now example number 8. Insert 6 rational number between minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Now here in this case denominator are not same. So first of all we have to make the denominator same by taking LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6 into minus 3 and 3 to the 6, 4. Now number is minus 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. Now we have to insert 6 rational number. Minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6, 0. Yes. Minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6, minus 0, minus 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rational numbers between minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Now example 9 is insert 6 rational number between example 9. 6 rational numbers between minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. Again we have to make the denominator same by taking LCM. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Minus 12 and minus 10. Now minus 12 by 15 and minus 10 by 15 is a new number. Now between these two only one rational number is there, minus 11 by 15. So we have to multiply it with, we need 6 rational number. We multiplied numerator and denominator by 7. 7 or 10, what? That is minus 70 upon, now between minus 70 and minus 84, yes, minus 71 by 105, minus 72 by 105, minus 73 by 105, 74 105, minus 75 105, 1 2 3 4 5 6, minus 76 105. Thank you. Now exercise 3.2 is your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.